You know, guys, there's nothing like fried chicken at 8 a.m. in the morning.
Well, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, Chris.
So why not start off with some fried chicken?
Exactly.
Hello!
Welcome to Tasty Makers.
So by random chance, Nick has made the fried chicken recipe from Tasty.
And Chris has made Taste, the Chinese recipe shows fried chicken. Ooh, that's good!
Today, our job is to find out which channel has the best fried chicken.
Let's get tasty.
Fried chicken!
Chris and I want to give a big shout out to one of our most loyal fans. We have a sticky note here. Hold on. Odalise Maldonado. Chris, how do you say this?
It's pronounced Odalise Maldo. Odalis? That's not right. Hi, Jimmy. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and pound that like button down below.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Time for chicken.
Nick made significantly more than I did.
Heart healthy, artery clearing, fried chicken. Well, Chris begins to dive into my chicken. I'm gonna give his a shot.
Cheers. Nick, this is really good.
Thanks, Chris. I set up all that making it.
No, this sucks. Here's what I think. You put a lot of herbs in this thing, you can tell. This tastes quite nice. I mean, it's crunchy. The flavors, man. The flavors. Oh, man.
I just love fried chicken though, like for real. It's so good.
What about my chicken, Nick?
Yours sucks.
I think mine could compete with, like, L&L. Or like a Hawaiian place.
After a quick deliberation, Chris and I have decided that the winner of today's Tasty Maker fried chicken competition is Tasty! Tasty's fried chicken.
I think the actual competition was between America versus Asia. Now, we need to also look at which country has more fat people per capita. America.
Yes.
You win. All right, everyone. Let's give it up for Nick for representing Tasty's recipe. If you want to shout out, make sure you comment down below and pound that like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video wherever you can.
Next time you decide to make some fried chicken,
Make it tasty.
deuces! Fried chicken!